Good morning, one and all present here. Today we are having most charming personality with us. She is a budding architecture and she will definitely help you in making your home. So she is none other than she is Bhavya Jain. And for taking her interview, we are having a soft skills trainer and a very positive person. She is none other than GTM Richa with us. So this virtual stage is over to you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Shubham, and most welcome to the winner, champion, who's a charming person and very down to earth and is a budding architecture. Most welcome.
Thank you.
Please tell us something. What are the career prospects for a student who's like you studying architecture?
So in architecture, after studying architecture, we can do anything, like we can be a professor in any university or do a job in any firm or even open our own practice. So it is a very versatile field in which we can do anything we want.
Okay. So can you tell us like how do we go about making our house if our pocket is not very heavy? It should be very economical. Can you give us some
Yes.
suggestions?
Like only using the most important things, like each material has various costs, so we can opt for the minimum amount of the material and make beautiful things out of this. Like nowadays people are more into contemporary and want glass in their buildings, and glass
Yes.
is very heavy and it is very costly, so we should use less amount of glass, and using less amount of glass would make our homes more insulated thermally, so we won't be needing artificial cooling and heating for our homes, which would even save money. And using sustainable materials would also be very eco-friendly and cost-effective. So
Okay.
making a good home doesn't necessarily require more money. It requires the skills that you make a sustainable home, which is
Okay.
cost-effective.
How do you differentiate a house and a home?
Okay, there's an old saying, a house is where mom is. So a home is where it is very cozy, you like being there, and it is according to you.
Okay.
Whereas a house is like an empty place which has no character.
Yes.
So you can make a house a home by personalizing it, by putting the things you require, and it is according to your lifestyle. The way you live, it should be according to that, and it will be a home for you.
Wow, wow, what an explanation. What are your views regarding the like lockdown 2020 and how it has impacted people like you who want to do something great in life?
So the lockdown has actually given me the time to rediscover myself and give time to things which I like doing. So I've recently started doing cooking and
Wow.
giving more time to art and craft, and basically giving time to things I love doing. Earlier it was like to going college, back to home, doing work again. So the lockdown has given me some time which I used to spend in traveling or socializing with people. So I'm able to give that time to myself and do the things which I like doing.
Good, good. I know that you are a Toastmaster. How do you think it has helped you in the success journey?
So in architecture, we have to explain our designs, and it is very important that we are able to convey our design very well to the client so that he is able to understand what our concept is. So in Toastmasters, I am able to express more myself by being more confident, and it has resulted in a better way in me, that I am more confident with my designs and I am able to explain them better.
Good. We have another Toastmaster who's waiting eagerly to have conversation with you. So over to Shubham now.
Hello, Bhavya. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too. So my first little question to you is like in India, the people like somehow they like don't like to consider architect like little. only upper class will be considering or upper middle class, right? I have heard
Yes.
people saying that ठेकेदार को बुला लेंगे उससे हो जाएगा, architect क्यों बुलाना है, right?
Yes.
So don't you consider that in India the architecture level is declining?
Yeah, like there are thinking of people like what is the need of architect? The contractor will do. They have their own people, but they are not very efficient. Like we have done studies in this, so we are able to think more logically, and we have understanding of all the things like electrical, plumbing, civil engineering, designing. So when we design things, we keep the user in mind, and then we do, like if there is an electrician that you have called through a contractor, he won't be having that thinking that he would put electrical points at the place where you would be needing them. He would just randomly put it anywhere. But an architect thinks what the user would be doing with it and then would be putting that. And he makes the space more efficient. So there's a thinking which needs to be improved in India.
True that, but it will take time. So
Yeah.
can you tell me one country in which the architect are like considered to be superior than those ठेकेदार, and you want to work in, like the country you want to work in?
Okay, so I would like to work in Canada. So there, I've been to Canada like about 5 years ago, and I lived for about a month over there. So I felt that the people are so advanced over there. Like 5 years ago, the things which were there in Canada are not even here anywhere in India. They are so advanced technologically, and their lifestyle is so good, and their homes are so well organized. So I would really like to work there.
Okay, that was awesome hearing you, and all the best for your future endeavors. Over to
Thank
Richa, ma'am.
you.
Thanks a lot for sparing your valuable time and sharing your views. I'm sure everybody will learn something out of it. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank